Wow, that was actually a pretty chaotic introduction noise. I don't know if I'll use that one. Yes, you are. Good morning, everybody. It is much later this morning than yesterday's video. It is like almost 10 o'clock now. Yesterday, as you saw, we got these headlights in. There they are. We got these headlights in yesterday. Those are going on the car today, as long as I can get into the garage. Because like I said in yesterday's video, it was just too damn cold, and I'm not trying to sit outside and work on my car, and it was freezing. So this morning, I have to get my bumper put back on properly. It's kind of like hanging right now, because I was working on these yesterday, trying to figure some things out. So bumper's got to go back on. I got to throw the headlights in the car, and we got to make a run to AutoZone real quick and pick up some new bulbs, because I can't run the HID kit. I don't know. I got a few more things I have to figure out, like lighting, wiring wise with these, but for the most part, I got them figured out, and they're gonna look really sweet. I'm really excited. Also, if I have time, which I don't know if I will, it depends on how late I want to stay up tonight again, we'll make a run back out to my mom's house, because in yesterday's video, I said I had something cool planned for these guys, and the part finally came in. So we might go pick those up. We'll see, but that part install thing will be another video for another day. Something completely new to me, so yeah. You'll see. All right, now that we're done with all the talking, let's go get the bumper put back on. Stinky! Oh, it's snowing. What a joy. I still have to put my plates on. That's annoying. So as you can see, yesterday I was working on the bumper and the headlight situation. Didn't get too far, so I just left it all apart. But I have to go ahead and put it back together for now because I have to drive the car to get to where I need to go today, and then we can take it all back apart. Ugh. There's straight up a siren going on. I can't tell. I don't know if that's the test tone or if that's the actual siren, because that's really, really loud, and that's freaking me out a little bit, boys. But if today's the end of the world, at least I have video footage of it. Put it in the vlog, baby. All right, so as you can tell, I literally just left all of these like nuts and bolts and stuff sitting around. I'm just gonna like screw them back into the bolt holes so I don't lose them. And we're gonna be running the headlight delete today. Josh, I'm sure you'll appreciate that one. Headlight delete resto mod. Also, this hangs off. That's nice. So Taz has an eye infection right now, and I have to put this stuff in his eye, and he really doesn't like it, but his eye's all red. Yeah, come here, boy. I feel so bad. Okay, good boy. You did good. Should we get you a treat now, buddy? You want a treat? All right, come on. Let me get you a treat. Atta boy. Should we do the dental life one or whatever? Get your teeth all clean? Or should we do the duck jerky one? We'll do this one. We'll get your teeth all clean today. Atta boy. All right, so I'll see you guys next when we are installing the headlights. All right, boys, so we are set up in the garage now. It is really cold in here because this is not the garage that I normally work in. The garage that I normally work in is my dad's garage. He has a heater. I'm just working with this. So I got the light set up top, and I got the car right here. And we are working on this one first, and then we'll move over to this side. I think I'm just gonna show you guys this side, and I'll do that side on my own. Also, if I have time and if I don't get too cold, I might do some work on this. It might be another video though. That might be in tomorrow's video. I just have to take out the bolts that I put back in earlier. All right, so this one needs to come out. I don't know, can I do it by hand? Yes, I can. I don't know if I have to take the bumper back off. I'm gonna try to just wiggle the headlight in there in the corner light and see what happens. Let's see. I'll probably plug this in now. There we go. Okay, I'm already getting excited. This one's next. I just wanna see if I can finesse this in here without having to take the frickin' bumper off again. I don't think so. All right, bumper's gotta come off, boys. Woohoo! That's my excited noise that I'm really excited to have to take the bumper back off. Yay! I got the bumper off. Kinda, there's like a zip tie holding it on over there, but otherwise it's off, so we can keep going over here now. I can finally start working over here now. Headlight housing should just slide in, no problem. We also have to remove this little support. It's only hand tight right now, I think. Yeah, I just put them back in hand tight. Okay. Hi, headlight housing. Easy, too easy. All right, boys, you're gonna like this. Here it goes. Wow. Damn, boys. That looks so good. All right, I'm gonna put the bulb in on this side and plug everything in and just make sure it works. And then once I know it works, I'll fasten this down, make sure it's all tight, and do the other side. All right, boys, so here's the before and here's the after. Wow. Like, actually, that is so cool. It looks so much better. That blue looks so shitty, boys. I'm not gonna lie. I read Doug DeMuro's post on Auto Trader, and he's right, dude. Xenons actually look like trash. Just stick with OEM, boys. That looks so much better. But it's so much brighter, look. That's the light from the Xenon. Now look at that. That's all the light from this one. It is so much brighter. That is so trash. I gotta test the turn signal, boys. Check that out. Alright, so I'm just gonna get this all put back together. I'm gonna do the other side and I'm gonna show you guys when it's completely done. I'll like time lapse it or something. You'll see, whatever. Dude, frick these HIDs, man. I've been trying to pull these out of here. Bruh. I was trying to pull these out of here for like 10 freaking minutes. They just came straight out when I turned on the camera. Yeet! Whatever. Alright, boys. So this is how you take this bulb out. Aftermarket. That's a mod. HIDs. DIY. But this is the most annoying part. Trying to fit this rubber sleeve over the wiring harness. I don't know if you can see what I'm doing, but it's like actually so freaking hard. Alright, so we're all hooked up. I'm going to just test this one out real quick, but you know, the honorary plastic pull. Oh, daddy. Woo! That's just a good looking headlight right there, boys. I'm gonna go turn it on right now. Let's check it out. There it is, baby. That is exactly what I wanted to see. That looks so good. All right, I'm gonna throw it all back together, back out. Wiz Khalifa, where'd you come from? All right, anyway, I'm gonna finish wrapping this all up and I'll back it out the garage and show you guys what they look like. It is gonna be dark, so you'll get to see what they look like in the dark. And that's it. So let's do it. Oh baby, let me turn them off. Here now, hopefully you guys can see. That's the new look, boys. Let's go. Let's go. I'm so freaking hyped on these. I'm so freaking hyped on these. Bah! Wow, these look so much better. And they're so much brighter. I wish I could give you guys like a little mini montage like with cool music and stuff, but unfortunately it's dark out, so it's gonna be really hard to record that. And I have to get this video edited and uploaded like soon. So this is where I'm ending today's video. I love these new headlights. I think you guys will too. These old ones were kind of doo-doo in my opinion. I'm really freaking excited. That's just one step closer to this thing being a freaking show dream car. And finally now I'll be able to see at night and it won't be so unsafe for me to drive. So boys, This is where I'm ending today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you liked the video, please leave a thumbs up. If you disliked the video, get the heck out of here. And again, if you guys like the video, please consider clicking that subscribe button, possibly hitting the bell too. That way you can stay up to date with my Vlogmas. Also, if you'd like to follow my Instagram, I'll put it right here. Boop. And as I always say, boys, remember to plan, commit, execute, and attain those goals, boys. Peace out.